Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. When it comes to drying your car after a rainstorm or a fresh wash, the best way to do it is going to be with forced air. You dry your car without making contact, cuts down on the love marks. Common sense, right? So there are a few ways to do that. You can do that with an air compressor. You can do it with a leaf blower. You can do it with the handheld blowers. And that all comes down to preference and price. Today I picked up another a mini hand blower, this one from MaxShine, and I'm going to share my experience with it today. So we're going to get to the unboxing, what comes with the package, but first of all, price is always going to be a question front and foremost. This one here is around $100, similar to those that are in its category. I did review an Adams handheld dryer a few months ago, and that was a little over $100. So this is comparable. We're going to take a look at it today. Let's get over and see what comes in the box. Let's use this for an example. This is one I already reviewed. This is the Adams air cannon. Comes with an attachment, a long cord. You have the filter, draws in air in from the bottom, and it does raise the temperature of the air when it comes through. It's not really an actual heater, but naturally from the motor, the air is slightly heated. So let's get this out of the way and bring in the MaxShine mini handheld dryer. Let's see what comes with this one. So you get the owner's operator. This is the Evo S. A nice long 20-foot cord with a tether. You get the blower itself, has a nice hefty feel to it. We'll find out the dimensions as we get to the closer look segment. And we have two attachments to direct the air that's coming from the machine. One that's really pinpointed and one that is more fanned. This is where the air is drawn into the unit. You can see the filter. The Evo S is 1200 watt, 90 CFM or 22,000 FPM, 20-foot cord. You have the two attachments, 1.5 horsepower. When it comes to dimensions, always important. 11 inches in length, 9 inches in height. When it comes to weight, a little over 3 pounds. Let's get one of the attachments on there, plug it in, turn it on, get a feel for how loud it is, how powerful it is, and then we'll see it in action. I always like the fan attachments. More than I do the cone. Again, drawing air in through the filter on this end, out through this end, power button right here. You can feel the torque. And I can feel the warm air on my hands. Not hot, just warm. Might help a little bit. Seems like it has plenty of power. For Pete's sake. All right. We have a vehicle that came out of the rain, out of the rain, into the dry. Let's dry off and give it a little bit of a demonstration as to how this works. Well, I can tell you this much, if you have a coated car, you're going to be able to dry it very quickly. So far works well. Doesn't work any worse than the other handhelds that you can get your hands on. I like that it's compact. The only drawback, of course, is always going to be the cord. That's why, you know, you may lean towards one of the mini leaf blowers because of the cordless aspect to it, but this works perfectly fine. Wheels with the intricate wheel designs in and around mirrors where it just keeps dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping. Some other uses besides exteriors, fine for blowing the light dust and crud out of interiors down onto the carpet so it can be vacuumed up. Can also come in handy doing engine bay details. So the MaxShine handheld blower works perfectly fine. And if you want to compare them to other ways to use forced air to dry your vehicle, you have the leaf blower, a little bit bulky. They are making them more compact, and there are a few handheld devices now being released. I'll grab one of those to compare as well. Forced air from air compressor, if you are a mobile detailer and have a compressor, or if you're in a shop setting, that's also another option. You have your handhelds here, the minis. So let's compare these when it comes to power. Most of these, they all have their specs and they're always inflated for sales and marketing. Okay guys, that's going to be my experience with the MaxShine handheld blower. Always going to be the best option. Drying your toys if they get wet, rainstorms, free-flowing water, wash process. And since this is similar when it comes to power, compared to other of the units out there, let me know down in the comment section if this is something you would look into, because if it's similar in power, it's going to come down to price then, and some other characteristics which you may favor over others. So comment down in the comment section as to what you use, what you would recommend, what you prefer, and the overall best buy. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.